Quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to learn how to say the date in French. So let's start. First, we are going to see the days of the week. Lundi, Monday. Mardi, Tuesday. Mercredi, Wednesday. Jeudi, Thursday. Vendredi, Friday. Samedi, Saturday. And dimanche, Sunday. Very important, in French we never translate on in front of a day. So for example, to say on Monday, we will simply say lundi. On Tuesday will be mardi. But if I want to say on Mondays, I will have to use les lundis or tous les lundis and add a silent S at the end of the days of the week, which translate as every Monday. Note that in the spoken language we would prefer to use le lundi, le mardi, le mercredi and so on instead of saying les lundis or tous les lundis. Now we are going to see the months. Janvier, January. Février, February. Mars, March. Avril, April. Mai, May. Juin, June. Juillet, July. Août, August. Septembre, September. Octobre, October. Novembre, November. And Décembre, December. To translate in front of a month, use the preposition en. For example, en janvier, in January, or en juin, in June. Now, let's recap how to say the years. In French, we read years as big numbers. So we will read the thousands, the hundreds, and the tens. For example, 2021 is 2021. 1980 is 1980. And 2014 is 2014. Now let's have a look at how we can say the date. For the full date, in French we will say the day, the date, as in the number, the month, and the year. Please note that for the date in French we do not use ordinal numbers, and as a result we don't translate the. Instead we use normal numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So we won't say Monday the 10th of March 2020, but lundi 10 mars 2020. Thursday the 21st of April 1978 is jeudi 21 avril 1978. There is actually one exception to that. When it is the first, we will use premier and not un. So I will say vendredi 1er mai 1967. This is the full date. Now we can of course shorten it. So let's see the possibilities we have. But first, let's speak a full date. Samedi 13 juillet 2019. In French, we don't necessarily say the year if the event we are talking about is happening in the current year. So I can shorten the date to samedi 13 juillet. And if the event is also happening in the current month, I won't need to mention it. So I can say samedi 13. Now, if you don't know on which day the 13th falls, you can get rid of the day. But you will have to replace it with the article le. So instead of samedi 13, I can say le 13. It won't be correct to just say 13 as we won't know what we are referring to. 13 what? With le in front of a number, we automatically know it is a date. Let's see how we can ask the question, what is today's date? To say that, simply say, quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? Which translates as, what is the date of today? Here you can answer with the full date or a shortened version of it. Or we can say, on est le combien aujourd'hui? With this question, we want to know the date, as in the number. So you will answer with le followed by a number. Le 15, for example. Now let's see the seasons. L'été, the summer. Le printemps, the spring. L'hiver, the winter, and l'automne, the autumn. To translate in front of the seasons, use the preposition en. En été in the summer, en hiver in the winter, en automne in the autumn. And as you have heard, don't forget your n link. You may be wondering why I have not said en printemps. It is simply because to translate in the spring, we can't say en printemps. Instead, we say au printemps. Printemps is the exception. That's it for the date. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. À bientôt!